In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as an admin on Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're managing a business account or simply trying to delegate tasks more efficiently, granting admin access to others can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to visit business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. This is where you'll find the necessary tools to manage your business settings and make sure everything runs smoothly. Once you're logged in, look to the lower left corner of your screen for the gear icon. This represents business settings. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a variety of options for managing your business account. Now, from the menu on the left-hand side, you'll want to navigate to Users and then select People. This is where you can see a list of current users and manage their roles. Next, you'll click on the Invite People option. When prompted, enter the email address of the person you wish to add as an admin. This step is crucial, so make sure to double-check the email for any typos or errors before proceeding. After adding the email, you'll see an option to toggle on full control. This gives the new admin comprehensive access to your ads manager, allowing them to make changes, view ads, and more. If you prefer to customize the permissions a bit more, you're free to adjust them as necessary before sending the invitation. Flexibility is key, especially if the new admin will only handle specific tasks. Once you've set the permissions to your liking, click on Invite. The individual will then receive an email prompting them to accept their new role. This step is essential as they won't have access until they acknowledge and accept the invitation. Keep an eye out to ensure they receive it and can follow through quickly. Finally, once the person accepts the invitation, they'll have full administrative access to your ads manager. This means they can now help manage campaigns, review insights, and collaborate with you to push your goals forward. Remember, for all of this to be possible, you need to have the appropriate access yourself. You'll need to be an admin of the business manager account to invite and assign roles to others, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add someone as an admin on Facebook Ads Manager, allowing for greater collaboration and efficiency in handling your business activities. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing.